Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the month of August. I will be using a kit from Sara Marie Stickers. It's got this pretty purple, these yellow colors, and this little light peach. So I am just going to go ahead and get right into it and lay this down. So her kits are just one sheet. If you have any extra labels, you can always use those. Just to kind of help out. I don't have a ton going on in August, so I think it'll be fine. But we will just go ahead and get this laid out. It is actually Sunday, so I just want to get everything laid out and put together, see where I'm going, and I think it will be fine. So I'm actually going to put the date dots down off camera, and then I will be right back. Alright, so that is how it looked with the numbers laid down. I'm just going to go ahead over here to the sidebar. She doesn't have an actual like sticker to put down, so I am just going to use some of this yellow washi, and I'm going to put it right here at the top just to kind of cover up that little symbol that was there. And usually over here I mark down my birthdays and anything that like is recurring. So we'll put that down there, and I have a birthday script from Simply Smith Stickers. I do have these little balloons. I like using those. And then let's see, on the 7th is my dad's birthday, and then on the 15th is my husband's dad's birthday. So we will put those there. And then I am going to put another piece here. And then this is going to be for my dance class. So let's use this Dance Fitness sticker, again from Simply Smith Stickers. And then on Monday it will be from 10:15 to 11:15, and then 6 to 7. Tuesday is going to be 4:30 to 5:30, and then Wednesday is going to be 6 to 7. Thursday is going to be 4:30 to 5:30, and then nothing on Friday. And then my daughter does start gymnastics, so I am going to put that here, and that's just once a week. She'll either go Mondays or Wednesdays. The sign-ups actually are tomorrow, so I'm not sure which one she will be in. And then I do have soccer as well. Kaysen's gonna start soccer. Don't know the times of that. I need to get a soccer script because I forgot, but I will do that later. So we will do soccer there, and then gymnastics. And I think that's it for the sidebar. That works, it's cute. All right, as far as the plans go, we have an open house for my daughter. She's going into kindergarten. Open house, and that is going to be at 6 o'clock. On Tuesday. So we'll put that there. And then the first day of school, I'll probably just use this here. I don't need a label for it because all 3 kids are gonna go, so that's cool. And then I have a dinner on the 4th at 7 o'clock, just with a group of my friends. So I will put that here like so. And then we have a concert, so Matchbox 20 concert, and that's going to be on Saturday. And I do have this little Winston that would be cute for there. And then on Sunday, we have a reunion, another reunion. We just got back from one. So this is going to be for my dad's side of the family. We have one every year. And then on Monday, we have a cross-country call-out meeting. And that's going to be at 6. Let's put that here. Like so. And then my daughter has her kindergarten shots at 10:15. That's the earliest they could get us in, which is fine. They said that they just like to do it within the first couple weeks. We have that there, and then we have an open house for my oldest son, and that's going to be at 6:15 on the same day, like so. And then we have a dinner, another dinner. So we have these dinners once a month with all the people that go to dance. And I think she said the 18th. So we will do that. We celebrate like any August birthdays and just a time to hang out without being in class. I think she said 6:15. It's 6:15 or 5:30, I can't remember. But I think it's at 6:15. And then, like I said, we'll have soccer. I can actually, let's see if we can get out of the way. Give me 2 seconds. I can get my soccer. Let's see, I have so many scripts, which is a good thing. I don't like my handwriting, so if I can get it in a sticker, that would be great. There we go. I've got 2 different fonts, so I will just put this here. So soccer there, and like I said, we don't know his practices. That meeting is going to be on Monday, so we should find out hopefully the 14th, because I think practices start that week, and then I'll have to figure out what my life is going to be like. But so far we just have soccer and gymnastics until basketball starts, and then that'll come when it comes, I guess. But that's pretty much it for my August. Super sweet, simple, to the point. Like I said, my sidebar is just like recurring things. So every week I'm going to do this. Every week we're going to go to gymnastics, and every week we're going to go to soccer, instead of crowding out my monthly view. So again, this kit is from Sara Marie Stickers. It's MK154 if you want that. And I do have a couple labels here, and I obviously have tons more that I've just saved from other shops. So if something does come up and I need more labels, I can always just color match to something that I already have. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys have a great time, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.